Hey there, my name is Chris, and for the Encode Digital Identity Hackathon 2023, I put together an app called Blockreach. Now, some of you might be familiar with the app called Yellowpages that more or less does a centralized index of businesses and profiles across the United States. Now, the problem with this is it's highly centralized. We're relying on this authority to verify the legitimacy of these different businesses, and there's not really a quick or easy integrated way to be able to do payments with these businesses or have them highly audited. So I wanted to use some of the technologies, in particular Onyx and Zksync, to enable anybody to enter their lens handle and have a fully verified peer-to-peer landing page that people can submit business or submit payments. Now, the way this works is anyone can come to the search page and search for a particular user. So by default, every account on the platform is unverified. It's possible for anybody that visits this page to claim the account. However, you need a verifiable presentation or identity credential issued from the Blockreach app admin. Now, coming to the admin page, there's a few different actions you can take. Note, I've already deployed an active contract, and this will be referenced in a minute. You can generate DID keys, which can be shared with different members of the community. And so in this case, I want to create a credential for hook.lens and have this individual be verified on the platform. So you come in here and you generate a verifiable credential, and it automatically generates a presentation for you. The idea would be like this credential would be shared with this particular user separately, and then when the user is ready, they can come here and enter that credential and claim the account. Now note if I add a character, this credential is not valid, and I get an error when it attempts to decode the VP. But the original credential is successful, and if that passes through, it'll interact with the contract and verify the account. And it may take a few moments to confirm on the chain, but now this is officially owned by that given credential. And so now if any other user comes to this page, they can now take additional actions because this user is verified and either send inquiry, which would be like a general purpose request, or submit a payment through the Blockreach app in a more secure manner against a official account. And so let me show you an example. So this would be an instance of a B2B payment. You can send that payment, and this goes against the Zksync contract and pay the fee, and boom, now we have a payment and there's a transaction issued against that smart contract. And the original contract is here, just to give evidence. If I refresh the page, there are now additional transactions on that contract. As for the code, it's available on my GitHub. I got a few screenshots showing how it works, but that's pretty much the Blockreach app, and thanks for your time.